Monochronic monoamniotic twins are best delivered by cesarean section. A pregnant lady develops chickenpox 3 days prior to delivery. Baby will develop varicella zoster virus infection. Caudal regression syndrome is seen in babies of mothers suffering from gestational diabetes. Pregnancy with heart disease has risk of antepartum hemorrhage. Hysterosalpingography should not be done in case of tubal pregnancy. APT test is used to differentiate fetal blood from maternal blood. Kleihauer-Betke test is used to estimate the amount of fetal bleeding. A 55-year-old female was found to have CA cervix, FIGO stage 2-3 located locally advanced. Management is radiotherapy plus chemotherapy. After a normal delivery, patient went into shock. The most probable cause is inversion of uterus. Barking cough and expiratory wheeze is seen in tracheomalacia. A neonate presented on day 1 of life with bilious vomiting. First investigation to be done is babygram. Post-term macrosomia and breech are common indication of caesarean section but not polyhydramnios. Pulsatile release of GnRH during sleep is responsible for pubertal growth in females. When two X chromosomes are present in a cell, one of them gets condensed to form a bar body indicative of female. Cervical smear preparation is done by means of ethyl alcohol. Combined oral contraceptives are best for newly married couples. Ideal contraceptive for couple living in different cities is Berry method. A 19-year-old female came to OPD with complaints of primary amenorrhea. She had well-developed breasts and pubic hair. However, there was absence of vagina and uterus. The diagnosis is MRKH syndrome or Mullerian agenesis. HPV vaccine is both bivalent and quadrivalent. Ground glass appearance of ovary on USG is diagnosed as endometrioma. COC, progesterone, and tranexamic acid is indicated in treatment of menorrhagia. Primary amenorrhea with absent uterus, normal breasts, and scanty pubic hair is diagnosed as androgen insensitivity syndrome. COCs should be avoided in women with epilepsy. Radical hysterectomy with pelvic lymph node removal is done in stage 1B and 2A CA cervix. Intraocular metastasis is the most common malignancy of the eye and the primary cause is breast cancer. HRT increases the risk of MI. The increased risk is attributed to progestin component. Thank you.